Lola. Hello. What are you doing? Oh, it's a beautiful bird. Oh, you got an itch? You got an itch? Lola. Oh, wow, what a noise. Good girl.